Every holiday, we end up making the classic, the deviled eggs. So I'm gonna show you my family's favorite recipe with deviled eggs. It's using just a little bit of sriracha. Don't be scared, it doesn't give them a ton of spice unless you want them to. So let me show you what I do. First, you're gonna have your boiled eggs. If you haven't already seen the video on how to have the perfect boiled egg, go ahead and watch that on our YouTube channel. Otherwise, have your boiled eggs ready and you're going to slice them the long way. So you get to see that beautiful yolk. And on each of them, we're gonna take the yolk and just pop it right out. And I have an egg plate here, and we're just gonna place the shells in there and continue doing that until your egg plate is filled. So now that I have all of the shells on my egg plate, I'm gonna take those yolks that we separated and I'm going to mash them up. And you can do this either with a fork or you can put them in a little food processor. You just wanna get them really fine. And I do that before I add in any other ingredients. That way you know for sure that it's all combined well. To the egg yolks, we're gonna add in some mayo, a little bit of relish, and you're gonna wanna have, when you do it, I want you to kind of squeeze out the relish a little bit. You don't want all that liquid, otherwise your filling will be a little bit runny. The sriracha is the scary thing for most people, and it just adds just a little bit of a tang. If you like them a little bit spicier, you can add more. Just be careful again of how much liquid you're putting into that. So we're gonna add in just a little bit of sriracha, and you can see I have maybe a half a teaspoon in there. Just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. And we're gonna mix that all together until it's nice and smooth. Now that it's mixed together, we're gonna fill the cavities of the egg whites. But I want you to take a spoon and just taste this. Now is the time that you're gonna adjust either a little bit more spice or maybe the salt or pepper. This is a great time to do that. So taste it just like this, and then you can either take it by the spoonful and fill them, or what I like to do is take a pastry bag, fill it up, and pipe it in. And it looks really pretty that way. So I have my pastry bag filled, and I'm going to pipe it right in to the egg and mounding it up just a little bit so they look really pretty. You can always go back in and add more to the egg. And last but not least, we're gonna take a little paprika and give it just a tad bit of color. I don't really think this adds that much flavor to it, but it does give it a beautiful color on the top. And you have your deviled eggs. They're ready to go. I would suggest making these the day of your event. You can make up the filling, but if they're left in the refrigerator overnight, they're gonna get that moisture to them. They're best if they're made up and filled that same day. Of course, the recipe for how to boil an egg and how to get it perfect so that all of the egg stays intact and doesn't start chipping off when you're peeling it is on our Sharky's Greenhouse channel, along with other tips and tricks that you can find there. Be sure to subscribe while you're there, and you have a great day.